In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import text and markdown files into Notion. This is a quick way to move notes from another app while keeping your content organized. Let's get started. Open Notion and go to the page where you want to import your file. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then choose Import. In the Import window, select Text and Markdown. This option lets you import both plain text files with the TXT format and Markdown files with the MD format. Next, browse your computer, select the text or Markdown file you want to import and click Open. Notion will upload the file and convert it into a new page. After a few moments, your content will appear in Notion. Headings, bullet lists, links, and other standard Markdown formatting will be converted automatically, so your document is ready to edit right away. If you imported a large file, take a moment to review the formatting and make any small adjustments if needed. That's how to import text and Markdown into Notion. Thanks for watching.